In this lab, we'll configure static routing between two routers in a simple topology using Cisco Packet Tracer. We have two networks, one connected to router R1 and the other connected to router R2. Router R1's Gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0 interface is connected to switch 1, where PC1 resides, and its Gigabit Ethernet 0 by 1 interface connects to router R2. Similarly, router R2's Gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0 interface connects to switch 2, where PC2 is connected. This setup allows us to simulate communication between two different LANs through routers. Let's start with router R1. Go to the CLI and configure the interfaces. Assign IP address to GI00 and GI01 as shown on screen. Use the no shutdown command to bring both interfaces up. Now, move to router R2. Assign IP address to GI00 and GI01 as shown on screen. Again, use the no shutdown command to activate them. Both routers are now configured and physically connected through a network. Next, configure the IP addresses and gateway on both PCs as shown on screen. Now, let's test connectivity from PC1. Ping router R1's GI00 and GI01 interfaces, both should reply successfully. However, when you try to ping router R2's interfaces or PC2, you'll see the pings fail. That's because there is no route configured between the two networks yet. Let's configure static routing on router R1. We want R1 to know how to reach the R2 GI00 interface network. So, we'll use the command IP route destination network, subnet mask, next hop IP address. This tells R1 that to reach the R2 GI00 interface network, it should forward packets to the next hop address, which is R2 GI01 interface IP address. You can verify it using the show IP route command. Next, go to router R2 and configure a route for the R1GI00 interface network. Use the command IP route destination network, subnet mask, next hop IP address. This tells R2 that any traffic destined for R1GI00 interface network should be sent to router R1 via R1GI01 interface IP address. Again, verify with show IP route. Now that static routing is configured on both routers, test connectivity again. From PC1, ping router R2's GI00 interface or PC2, you'll now see successful replies. This confirms that routing between the two networks is working perfectly. Finally, go to PC2 and ping PC1. You'll see the pings are successful in both directions, confirming end-to-end connectivity through static routing. That's it, we've successfully configured static routes between two routers in a simple topology using Cisco Packet Tracer. This is one of the most fundamental routing labs and an essential step toward understanding dynamic routing protocols like RIP, OSPF, and EIGRP. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Packet Tracer labs and networking tutorials.